everyone. Today is a great day here at Feedfeed Brooklyn because we are in the kitchen with our friends at Spindrift and we are gonna make some cocktails. Today we are basically giving your tequila and soda a little facelift. We're making a Grapefruit Jalapeno Mezcal cocktail with a spicy Tajin Rim. This is so good, super refreshing. Let's get started. First things first, we are going to make a Cilantro-Jalapeño simple syrup to go in this cocktail. So I'm gonna chop my jalapeno right now and we can get that started. If you wanted to, you could always de-seed or de-stem the jalapeno for a little less spice, but I kinda like the spice in the syrup, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay, and while we're here, I'm just gonna slice a grapefruit to use as garnish. I'm just gonna make little wedges. Now I'm going to make a cilantro jalapeno syrup, which will go in the cocktail. So what I'm gonna do is overheat. We're just gonna combine equal parts water and sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. We're using cane sugar, but if you don't have it, you could use white granulated, whatever you've got. Okay, once the sugar is fully dissolved, we're gonna take it off the heat and we're gonna add in our sliced jalapenos and some sprigs of cilantro, stems and all. And we're just gonna let that steep for about 10 minutes so that flavor can infuse. Congrats, you just made a simple syrup. While I have my syrup steeping, I'm going to go ahead and garnish these glasses. So they're getting a spicy Tajín Rim. If you've never had a cocktail with a Tajín Rim before, I highly recommend. This is like a chili lime seasoning and it's just such a great counterpart to the smokiness and the sweetness of the cocktail. I'm just gonna run this citrus around the rim just so that the Tajín has something to stick to. If you can't find Tajín or you don't have it, you could also use salt. The syrup has been steeping for about 10 minutes or so, so now I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. All right, now we're gonna shake up these cocktails. So we have mezcal going in here. Okay, let's talk about mezcal for a second. I will be honest with you and admit that historically, mezcal has been a tough sell for me. I don't really love smoky flavors, so I'm always sort of like on the edge about it. But I must say this cocktail is like super balanced because you get smokiness from the mezcal, but then you're getting bright citrus from the Spindrift. You're also getting sweetness from the syrup and a little spicy. So it's honestly a very nice balance of all the flavors, and I really do like the mezcal in this. That said, if you're just like not into mezcal at all, you could totally sub in tequila. We're gonna add the syrup in and some ice. If you don't have a cocktail shaker, you could just use 2 glasses. But I'm super legit, so I'm gonna shake it. All right, I'm just gonna add a cube or 2 of ice to these glasses. And now it's time for the Grapefruit Spindrift. The best part about using Spindrift as a cocktail mixer is that it's not gonna dilute the drink. It's made with real fruit, so it's just gonna add more delicious flavor. Hit it with the jalapeno. Did you know that the grapefruits in the Grapefruit Spindrift is from a family farm in California? What? Now you know. Okay, Alex is here to try some cocktails with us. Before we go, I have to ask you a very important question.
What?
If you were a Spindrift, which one would you be?
Grapefruit.
Why? Why?
Because I'm refreshing and a little tart.
Oh, okay, perfect.
And bubbly.
Well, they're all bubbly.
I know. Cheers.
What do you think?
It's got a little kick.
Are you a mezcal girl?
Yes.
Okay.
I love a little smokiness.
See, like I said before, it's like not my favorite, but I love it in this drink. It's like very refreshing. The smokiness isn't overpowering. And then the like sweetness from the citrus, it's just great.
And this rim.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good.
Yum. If you want this recipe, you can grab it at thefeedfeed.com. Don't forget to tag us when you make it, and we'll see you guys next time.